It is Wednesday, the 13th of April, 2022, and welcome to our daily debrief. Just to recap yesterday's action, we had US markets sort of rally post that CPI number where the market it came in a little bit hotter. I think the knee jerk reaction was that a lot of it was priced into the market and the market flew higher and then retraced most of its gains to pretty much end flat in the day. In our local market, we had commodities, diversified that held up quite strong, and then Naspers process selling off, and our local SA Inc. stocks, especially the banks, starting to show a little bit of weakness. Just look at since our close, we've got S&P down about 30 points, Nasdaq down about 100 points this morning since the close yesterday. FTSE futures showing flat to down. We've got a stronger dollar. We've got that ruble at around 85. Rand still very resilient, 14 below 14.50. I think we might have a quick look at that chart. And then pretty much other commodity prices, nothing really noticeably. Gold trading quite well post that CPI. Palladium up a little bit. Iron ore off a little bit since the close. And coking coal up a little bit. Rio is up 2.7%, Tencent up 3%, which is quite impressive. And so just to look at some themes, obviously yields still elevated since that CPI number, and not too much with a shortened week. Just to look quickly at the Rand. Rand's incredibly resilient. I think the bottom end of this channel is around 14.33. So just watch this one. It's been in this channel sort of for the since the beginning of the year. I think we'll watch for continued strength here to see how far this rand can go. Let's have a quick look at some more ideas today. We've got CFR. We had LVMH, which came out yesterday after the close with quite a decent beat. Let's see if it has a bit of a read for CFR. We know that obviously there's these luxury good stocks are quality, but they are quite expensive still. So let's see how the market does take it. LVMH should pop a little bit, but didn't trade unbelievably well. Just some levels here: 186.22 and 196 is the 200-day moving average. The next idea that I've got is MTN. I think watch this one quite closely. Bit of frustrating trade yesterday, but I think if we can get pop above 183, it's been in this range between 178 and 181. Get above 183, I think the stock can maybe potentially go a bit higher. Watch this one today also for a move. And then finally, I think some of the banks, let's have a quick look at two of the banks. I think Capitec was one that came up with the results yesterday. I think want to watch it, but this morning, 2267 is sort of the support level which it closed on. I think anything below there, there's big gaps down. The results were pretty decent, so I wouldn't be looking to short it off the bat. But I think if the banks do continue to show weakness, it's the time to maybe be shorting this one. And quickly have a look at FirstRand. FirstRand is also quite vulnerable. At some sellers around there, so I think 73.10. I'd be looking to maybe have it short at 73.50. So just to recap, looking to see how the market takes CFR. I think potentially could be quite positive to look to buy them. MTN to buy, and then to watch the banks for potential shorts. Good luck for today.